Hello, welcome to Meow's Gaming Adventures. I'm Meow and this is Kenya.
Hi Meow, it's Kenya here. Welcome back to
Meow's Gaming Adventures.
It's been so long since we made a video, right?
Yeah, it's been pretty busy.
Yeah, what a busy week and month and year. Anyway, I'm working on something as you can see, Meow. It's going to be super exciting. Guess what?
I think you're trying to build letters, right?
Yeah, I'm trying to write my own name with these brick blocks. Kenya. I'm almost done. This took me almost 5 minutes.
Wait, what? That's so long. Do you really think you need to take that much time just to build your name?
Yeah, so what else can I do to write a name though, right? You just have to build it.
Come on, we can use code.
Really?
Yeah,
Can
we
we?
can.
I didn't know that. Can you show me how?
Alright, sure. Let's open Code Builder.
Okay, so, oh, by the way, for the viewer who hasn't done any coding before, this is going to be super easy, right?
Yeah,
But
nothing complicated.
Right, we have actually shown the basics of coding in Minecraft in the video for, I think,
Making a sphere?
Sphere and also the Ender Dragon as a pet. So anyway, check that out if you haven't seen them. Alright, so how do we open the code editor again? Can you refresh my memory, Meow?
Press C.
The letter C and the keyboard.
Yep.
Alright, let me go to home, okay? So normally this is the first screen that you see. If you actually see a different screen, it might be asking what kind of code editor you want to use. In that case, you want to pick Microsoft MakeCode, okay? And you should see something like this. So now that I am on this screen, Meow, what should I do?
Press on New Project.
Okay, click on Create a New Project. Give it a name.
Yep.
Does it matter which name I choose?
Nope, it doesn't matter. Just
Okay.
so you can remember.
Okay, writing text. Alright, now we're here. So what's the secret command that will write text with blocks for me?
It's on the blocks.
Okay, so click on blocks.
Yep, and just go down a little bit. It says print hello.
Print hello. So I drag this over. So again, so just back to the basics, right? The easiest way is to put this inside the on chat command, this little blue block over here, right?
Yep,
So
that's
how do
correct.
I move this inside again?
Just drag it over.
Drag it over like so.
Yes.
Let it go. So whenever I type the chat command run, it's going to make the text from blocks for me. But I probably should do something else, right? Because I'm not going to run. I'm going to write. So I'm just going to name this write.
Okay.
Alright, so print hello, what does it do, Meow?
So it will just print hello in blocks.
I see, so what should I do? So I should say Kenya, so that will accomplish the goal, right? That I try to write my name, but now I don't need to do it myself because this command will do it for me. So what kind of block should I choose?
You want bricks?
Okay, sure.
Or you can choose anything else, your choice.
Alright, I try to get something, how about TNT?
Oh yeah, cool.
Alright, so we'll come back to this in a little bit, but along west, east, so if you recall how do we tell directions in Minecraft, Meow?
You can use a sunflower.
Okay, so I should open that in my inventory. Choose that. So when I place a sunflower, which direction is it going to face?
East.
Right, that's how you tell the direction easily. Now, it's facing this way, so on my right hand side of the screen, that's east, right? And on the left is going to be?
West.
Correct. So back to the code editor, press C. So I want Kenya to start writing and go towards the east. So which option should I pick, Meow?
You should choose the east.
Alright, east. So, and this should start writing where I am. So I'm just gonna stand right next to this sunflower. And what command should I type in again?
Right.
Right. Boom. Just wait for this to start writing super quickly. Look at that. Oh my god. It bumps
It's
into
huge.
yeah, it bumps into my old work, but you guys get the idea. You notice though, right, Meow? This one at the bottom of the text that it created for me is just right above the ground, right?
Yeah, 1 block above the ground.
One block. So what if I want my name to be a bit higher?
Okay, so let's go back to Code Builder.
Alright, I'm there now. Show me.
Okay, so where the coordinates are, you see?
Okay,
The second coordinates, change it.
okay.
Change it to be a bigger number.
Alright, if I want the bottom of my name to be 5 blocks above the ground, then I would put
4.
4. Okay. So because by default is 1 block above the ground, the bottom of the text. So if I put 4 here, it's 4 plus 1 equals 5, right?
Yep.
Again, I'm just gonna do, just to show you here, right? On the right is east. So it's when I choose along east, it's gonna start writing from here all the way to the right. Okay? And I just need to position my character where it's going to start writing from, correct?
Yep.
Remind me
correct.
again, how do I open the chat window?
T.
T to open the chat window, right? So, right, that's the command I choose. Again, here, the command that you type in the chat window has to match with.
It needs to match with the one that you put in the Code Builder.
Yep, on chat command. So that's the word that you want to put into the chat window. Anyway, I did that. And see? Ooh, so right now Kenya is written 5 blocks above the ground. So cool, right?
Yeah, that's so cool. So,
Interesting. We'll see if you can follow the lesson that you just gave me, Meow.
alright, sure, I'll try my best.
In the meantime, might be a good idea to set off this bomb.
Really? Are you sure you're gonna do that?
Yeah, why not? Flint and steel. Let me know when you're done writing yours. See if this works. Boom. That's some damage I'm making here. Alright, so yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed this video. You think this is difficult?
No, it's not difficult at all.
Not at all, right? And as usual,
Please like and subscribe.
ooh, please like and subscribe. This is really cool. How long did it take you?
Well, a few seconds.
A few seconds. Oh, I wish I had known this before. Alright, thanks a lot guys. Again, as written here, please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. And don't forget to check out the playlist, right?
Yeah, it's super cool.
Yeah, we got some other videos about coding or Minecraft in general that you will like. Bye bye.
Bye.